Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a simple A-line skirt. This is really easy to make. So let's get started. Yeah, I have taken 2 meters of fabric. It's a lightweight denim fabric and just fold it like this. Now I will mark the length of the skirt. Length will be full length minus belt width. Yeah, in my measurement full length is 31 inch and I am using 1.5 inch width elastic, so I will deduct 1.5 inch from it, so I will get a 29.5 inch and I will add 2 more inches to it for the bottom folding and margin, so I will get a 31.5 inch, so I will mark at 31.5 inch. Extend this point. This is the length of the skirt. Now I will mark the waist measurement. Here I have to take the hip measurement instead of waist measurement because here I will insert elastic in the belt. Here in my measurement hip round is 44 inch. I will add a 4 inch for loosing, then I will get a 48 inch and divide it by 4, I will get a 12 inch. So I will mark a 12 inch here. Now draw a line from the waistline to the bottom and cut it out. Now give a curved shape at the bottom part like this and cut it out. Now separate the front and back part. Take the front part and fold it and make a small cuts at the center of a top and bottom part. Now open the front part and draw 2 lines of width 1.5 inch at the center of this fabric by joining these cuts. Now I will attach the strip at the center of the front part like this. Its width is 2.5 inch including 1 inch of margin on both sides. Now fold the edges of the strip like this and iron it. Here I have given iron. You can see. Now I will attach it to the front part. Take the front part and place it on the center. Here you can see the lines I have drawn. Now place the strip on this line and make a stitch along the entire length. Strip is attached. Now I'll join both front and back part, placing right side together. Make a stitch on both sides. So here the side fitting is completed. Now I will cut the belt. For that, measure the waistline. My waist is 23 in half, so I need a 46 inch long belt and I will add 2 inch extra to it. Here I have this strip for the belt. Just fold it like this, measure it. Its width is 4 inch. Width of the belt will be twice of elastic width. I am using 1.5 inch elastic and seam allowance of 1 inch, so I'll get a 4 inch. So the width of the belt will be 4 inch here. Now I am going to attach the belt. Place the belt on the waistline facing right side together like this. And give a stitch all around by leaving half inch margin. Cut the extra fabric and join it. It's done. Now fold this edge half an inch all around. Now fold the belt by half and make a stitch, leaving around 1 inch of space to insert the elastic. So here the belt is attached, leaving 1 inch of space here for inserting the elastic. Now I will insert this elastic by using a safety pin. The length of the elastic will be whatever the waist round of your skirt, deduct 3 or 4 inch from it. Now I will insert the elastic. So I have inserted the elastic. Now I will stitch both ends together like this. Now close this space. Now I will make a stitch on the elastic to keep it in place. Stretch the elastic to distribute the gathers equally. So the elastic is attached. Now I'll finish the bottom by folding it and give a stitch all around. Here I have finished the bottom. You can see the skirt is ready now. Now I will attach these buttons on this strip like this. So this is the finishing look of this skirt. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.